Hi, welcome to MainBotpy. Are you looking for a powerful Instagram scraper? Let me show you my new advanced and most powerful Instagram scraper. Using this scraper, you can scrape millions of username and user ID. You can scrape followers of any influencer or popular ID. It can scrape about 60,000 users per hour. If you want this bot, contact in my WhatsApp or Telegram. MainBotpy. Let me show you the data. It stores all data in an easy to access and easy to find way. It scrapes both username and user ID. This bot will cost you only $30. Thanks for watching till the end.